Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Hector, and today we're taking a look at the ASUS ROG Ally, a lightweight gaming device with a 7-inch screen and universal compatibility across different platforms of games, all with next-gen built-in technology. I'm super excited, let's get into it. I was lucky enough to play this earlier this week, and I'm really excited to show you what's inside. You've actually got a stand right here in the front. So you've got that for the device, and then the actual device itself. You've got warranty information, device information as well, so serial number, all that stuff that you want to enter. And the only other thing in here is the charger, and this uses USB Type-C. All right, so this is it. It's sitting on the stand right now, so if you're just watching something or you want to be using a controller or keyboard, you can just have it kind of stood up there for you. As soon as I put this in my hands though, I can automatically tell how lightweight it is. You've got your 2 sticks, your buttons, you've got a little textured grip here that makes it easier to hold on to this as well. You've got your front-facing speakers that have Dolby Atmos that I'll go into a little bit later. Your D-pad, your 4 menu buttons, and you've got your X, Y, A, and B buttons right here. So all of it feels really responsive. These LED rings right here sitting under the sticks are actually backlit, so you can customize that. You've got your triggers, as well as your bumpers on the back. And then you see this has the logo as well built into it with the vent fans. Nice little touch with the design there. On top, we've got your power button, which actually has a fingerprint Touch ID sensor. Nice little feature for logging in. Volume button, Type-C port, the XG mobile dock port that I'll talk about in a bit. Micro SD card slot for storage expansion, and then you've got a headphone jack. ASUS kind of thought about every kind of I/O port that you'd want on a portable gaming device. Controls are really responsive. You can actually kind of hear the clicking to it. And then you've got those indents on the sticks, which makes it easier to maneuver. You've got 16 gigabytes of DDR5 built into this, 5 12GB SSD in this model, as well as the AMD Z1 Extreme chip. You're running Windows 11 on this, which is the first device I've seen to run Windows operating system like that. So you've got plenty of performance to run Steam games, Epic Games, EA, all these types of platforms. ASUS makes it really easy to just have one huge game library for all of your games, regardless of what platform they're on. So aside from this just being a portable gaming device, you can also hook it up to the XG mobile dock, have that connected to a monitor, and just have it running as a gaming PC. You can run higher res games, at a higher refresh rate, as well as a higher resolution on higher settings. Now let's go ahead and actually take a look at the screen. This is a 7-inch 1080p Full HD screen, and then you've got a 120 Hz refresh rate. Really nice clear resolution on this. You've got sharpness. You've got all these different modes to adjust the screen to your liking. So let's talk about sound. Right here, you've got the front-facing speakers on your left and your right, and these are tuned with Dolby Atmos. So whether you're inside or outdoors, you can experience that full range of sound. If you don't want to use the speakers, you've got the headphone jack for wired headphones, you've got built-in Bluetooth for wireless headphones, and then on top of that, you got Wi-Fi 6E. Overall, the gaming experience with this device has been awesome. I used to play Minecraft all the time as a kid. Minecraft Legends is a new game. It's more of a role-playing story mode kind of game. But the one thing I do know about Minecraft is the different biomes, the different types of, environments. And that's where this screen's gonna really be shown off. Well, thanks again for taking a look at the ASUS ROG Ally with me. My name's Hector, and if you'd like to learn more, you can click the link below. I'll see you next time.